This is going to be a very short video as I finally have a solution to getting a ladder built and installed so that I can get guests and friends up to the loft. Thank you, Daniel, who's a carpenter for Incredible Tiny Homes. That short video coming up next. I decided on a ladder to be built with 2x4 pieces of wood lumber at the height of 90 inches tall, which is approximately 10 inches taller than the loft base floor. Each step is 18 inches long, thus the total width of the ladder is 21 inches wide. The spacing between each step is 10.5 inches high, with 6 total steps. The angle of the ladder to be built is at 15 degrees. The ladder is to be attached directly to a steel panel wall with the use of a 1 inch by 25 piece of wood. I decided on using the services of Daniel Palmer, who is an inspiring carpenter who works for Incredible Tiny Homes. I will provide his contact information under the notes of this video. Upon completion of the ladder project, I couldn't have been any pleased with his craftsmanship, and I highly recommend his services. The ladder itself was built using wood dowels with no screws. I'm on the loft. I've had a restful night's sleep. Now it's time to get off. So this is how simple this is. Now I may get some handrails, but initially this is what it looks like. And as easy it is to get down. So you probably want to know what the cost of this ladder was for Daniel to build it. $250 is what I paid him. And when you compare it to other options, which were anywhere from $800 to $1,200, I'm quite happy with this. Now, I'm going to probably stain this or paint it, more than likely stain it. I have to do that when it gets warm, as it's 28 degrees this morning in Tennessee. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't been a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Please hit the like button. And any comments are always welcome and favorable. Thank you and have a blessed day.